Let's see how to discover sensitive files plus directories. We already seen our Metasploitable IP address is 192.168.0.85, so which we're able to access here in our Kali Linux web page. So you see, just by typing this IP address of Metasploitable, it leads us to Metasploitable web address. So I'm going to show you a tool called Dirb, which is pre-installed. To do that, I'll just come here and type Dirb. Before we begin, let me show you how you can get more information or help on how to use this program, Dirb. Type man and Dirb. This brings the help menu, shows you it's a web content scanner, synopsis, Dirb, and the whole base. So the description is a web content scanner that looks for existing or hidden web objects. Basically works by launching a dictionary-based attack against a web server and analyzing the response. These options you can use with the dirb command, header string, print location, don't search, recursively, interactive, recursive by using the arrow, capital arrow option. You can save the output to disk by using the -o option. So I'll just show you how to use just by specifying the and the all base and the default web word list. So click quit, specify the and the web address. So what we do is go to our web page. We already have we know the IP address of our Metasploitable, which is 192.168.0.85. Yours may be different, so just put it there and slash. What we want is this Mutilidae. We don't want to scan every other directories. We want this directory Mutilidae. Sorry, this is Mutilidae. So this is what IP address I will copy and come back to my terminal, Ctrl+Shift+V. So press the enter key. So this is the path you should paste your Metasploitable IP address and the directory Mutilidae. Press the enter key. So what this scan would do is find or discover sensitive files and directories. So the scan is complete. We found 18 directories so far. We found the favicon, which is not really important, footer, header. These are not too important for us. What is important is this login page. We found the login page. This is important to us. We have php info.php. This file is an information disclosure vulnerability, reviews the PHP version, server, OS, and loaded modules. You can select, right click, copy selection, open up Firefox, and paste. You can see when we paste this link, discovered by a Dirb, we're able to discover the PHP version 5.2.4. This is really helpful in our scanning process and other information are here also, etc, PHP, that can be really helpful for ethical hacking. Next, I look for other possibilities here. We found the PHP myadmin page. This page is also very helpful. This is a prime target for credential testing. Copy, open up Firefox, and you can paste it. And go back to my scan results. Found another important one, which is robots.txt. This is a file created by web admins to tell search engines like Google or Yahoo which parts of the site not to index. This serves as a roadmap for hackers. If an admin is trying to hide a directory from Google, it's probably because it contains something useful. Copy selection, go to paste, enter key. So what the text contains here is passwords. Of course, they've disallowed, the admin has disallowed passwords. Config.inc. The config.inc file is also very important because it contains the hard-coded credentials used to connect the web application to the backend database. Gaining these credentials can lead to a full database breach. So let's see how we can access the passwords from here. Say passwords, and by pasting the password directory, we're able to find our accounts, the text, and next we open accounts.txt to review possibility of usernames and passwords for the site. Click it. And now we found some usernames: admin pass, monkey, Adrian, and passwords, some passwords, zombie films, rack. Yes, these are very important information. Let's see the other information we found here in our, okay, in the robots.txt, we also found open up, we found the, just copy this link, config, best, I'll just go back to the link where we found it. Here is config.inc, copy this link, replace it here, to config.inc, press the enter key. So here's another important details. We found password, note, samurai, the database password is samurai rather than blank. So we've been able to hack into a Metasploitable database using the Dirb tool, and the user database is root, database blank, database name Metasploit, database host local hosts. So this is a lot of information. And today we learned how to discover sensitive files using the Dirb tool, and we're also able to use the Knockpy tool to find subdomains of a domain. The example we looked at is google.com. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe so you get our next post on our free ethical hacking course. If you have any questions, comments, contributions, please leave in the comment box. We'll be able to answer your questions and hear your contributions. And how these tools, have you tried them? What are other ways you've used them? Did it work for you? Please share for others to learn. Thanks. See you in the next.